Hey, Will Witt here of WWPTV. We're designing a lot of t-shirts right now. We're really busy, so we're gonna get the videos cranked out. But hey, we gotta take care of our t-shirts. And speaking of t-shirts, here's something to help out those guys that do buy t-shirts and carry t-shirts with them for sales and things like that. We're gonna teach you how to roll them two ways: one for storage and one for t-shirt cannons. So let's get to it. Okay, as far as selling t-shirts, the thing you want to do is you want to fold this shirt to the center, overlap it, fold it to the center, overlap it, and then you want to roll from the bottom up. Very simple, very easy. You can fold it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Anyway, if you leave the tags on like I don't, you would be able to tell what size it is. The other thing you could do is wrap it up with different color rubber bands so that when you're going looking through your bins, you know, hey, red is a large, or whatever. You could do different sizes, different colors, and that's what we have for the Breathe Easy team. That's what they do, and I think a lot of pullers do it this way. Nice and tight. You can still see a little bit of logo on it. Wrap it up, and there you go. Each color has a different meaning: small, medium, large. Good way to do that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to make a t-shirt for a cannon. Alright, this is kind of cool. You just take a t-shirt and you want the design facing away from you, but it doesn't really matter because you're not worried about the color, you're not worried about the design. Get a nice little fold. Fold it in half. I like to fold the sleeves behind. I think we're going to roll it one more time. Now here's the beautiful thing. Just flip it around. And you get a perfect t-shirt roll. Those fit into t-shirt cannons, and or you can hand throw them, and they'll hold as you throw them up into the crowd. So that's a nice way of organizing your shirts. These go well in bins, so you can carry them on the road. If you clump them all together, you break them down by sizes or colors and things like that. Obviously, you know what the colors are, but the rubber bands are really cool. You can even order custom bands that say small, medium, and large, and they're actually a little bit thicker. You only have to wrap them one time. You don't have to double wrap. But those are a little bit more expensive of an option, and a lot of those are available by people who you order t-shirts from. Again, you want it bagged, you want it rubber band, you want it sorted, it's all going to cost you. Usually they come out grouped together in size, so if you take some time and do it together with your family and your crew, it'd take you no time at all. But the key is to have a system, rubber bands, or you can even break it up into a Rubbermaid box and section it off, and then right at the top, small, medium, large, XXX, whatever you guys do. Alright, well, I'm Will Witt for WWPTV. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking us out. Thanks for subscribing, all the likes and all the shares. Couldn't do it without you guys.